Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. Where am I? Sheldon Country Park. I've just a spur of the moment. A lovely, gorgeous day. I don't know what the temperature is now. 25 degrees. It's the 4th of September 2023. Before I say any more, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to have a ride up by the runway. I love getting some pictures and video of the plane, so I brought me Canon 5D4 with me, 5D4 with me, 300mm 2.8 lens. I've got the Sony, I've got all the gear, so I'm going to head up now. Join me, head towards the park where the planes take off. So thanks for joining me. We'll see you in a bit. Click record. I brought my Volt Metro on the little e-bike. Doing a bit of across this field now, so we'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, hi folks. Probably have to cut this bit of this video out where I had to stop. I got one of the bags on the bike rack at the back, but it kept falling off. I've got the 300mm lens on my back. It's quite heavy. Anyway, this is where I'm heading. It's very bumpy, so we'll see in a bit. Yeah, this is where I've just missed a really nice plane landing, but there'll be plenty more. You probably hear it. It was a big one, that was. So just going to park up now and get some gear out. If there's a bench available, would be great. Let's just slow along here. Yeah, it looks nice. A lot of people here. We're all enjoying themselves. So I'm just going to go over here. Actually, there's a bike rack there. I'll stick my bike over there. Catch you in a minute. Well, I've got my Canon camera down there. There's one coming. So we're going to go up and it's coming in. Gears down. I usually fall over on these type of shots, so this is the first one of the day. Ayo. There she goes, folks. There she goes. Lovely. Yeah, got EasyJet there, better to take off. It's not the best of view for the takeoff here with that fence, but we'll see. See how it goes. Wish it was me. That's the train in the background. Left hand down a bit. There she goes. That's not the best of view from here, I'm stood on a bench. Going up. Lovely. Yes, there's quite a lot of people here. It's free to come along and view the planes. It's brilliant. Another one on the hockey. Again, thanks for joining me. If you could press that subscribe button if you haven't watched the videos before, appreciate that. Just they get shared more. So yeah, finally off. She's off in a better position here. Silent. It's amazing that when I was at Coventry I could hear the planes. I was miles away, but it must be just the way the wind's blowing. So that one's off anyway. So we'll catch her in a bit, folks. Yeah. Hello world. Hello from Birmingham Airport. Yeah, it's lovely, but we always complain it's too hot. I've got sun cream on, but it's a scorcher. So I've come up on my Volt electric bike. I brought it in the back of the Nissan Leaf, so that saved me walking. It's about a 10-minute walk to the spot, plus I'm carrying the heavy camera. I've only used it for one lot of pictures, because you've got to wait about every, I don't know, 15 minutes for a plane, and I'm not going to stop much longer. I'll have heat stroke, but thanks for joining us. So there's lots of people here at the runway. It's a little lost me. Runway over there. So we'll catch you in a bit. Yeah, greetings. Well, we got two in the sky, two for the price of one. It's great, you know. I've been doing a bit of slow-mo with the GoPro. Fantastic. There she goes. Jet 2 ready to take off, so I'll come back when it lines up. Wonder where they're going. somewhere nice. Enjoy your holiday. There she goes, folks. There she goes. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Up and under. She's away. Next one's lining up. Gotta watch it don't blow my hat off. It's on a bit windy. I don't know if it's coming from that plane or not. I'll come back on when it moves. Well, the propeller plane coming in there. Jet 2's waiting for that. There she goes. There she goes, steady as you go. Steady as you go. She's there. She's revving up. There's smoke off that. Yeah, a lot of smoke. Past its MOT on the exhaust emissions, I'm sure. Well, when that takes, so I'm going to do one more and I'll be making a move. So it's smoky.
My sister's a Texas. She can go.
She's off. Yeah, certainly a lot of needs a service or something. Never seen so much smoke come out of a plane. Last time I saw that, it was the red arrows. Someone else just said the red arrows, the colours on there, but they put petrol in instead of diesel. Smoking, certainly is. Oh, but, I hope we don't fly over the emission zone in Birmingham. I hope they've got a pass for it. That's all I can say. Yeah, certainly. Yeah. Another one going to take off. I'm going to go shortly, so I don't know whether I'm going to get another landing or not, but might be this takeoff. Luftwaffe regional. That's from Germany, if anyone didn't know. So, getting ready for the hockey. I'll catch her in a minute. He doesn't look, he's hanging around, he's going straight off. Sit, full throttle. There she goes. Apologies about the noise. It's a family affair here, so you get the kids here. There she goes. There she goes.
No, you're not taking hats off. Take it off, you're going home.
Yeah, hi folks. Back at the car now. I'm suffering from a heat stroke. It's really hot. Where is it now? 27 degrees. Fantastic. Anyway, I'm ending the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just got to lift the bike, fold it up, put it in the back of my car, and I'm off. So let's hope there's peace in Ukraine. Forget the dating site. Big thumbs up to everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one from a lovely hot Sheldon Park. Bye for now. Bye folks.